The Hosman Fortified Church in Transylvania, Romania, is a remarkable example of medieval architecture. Built in the 13th century, this church served not only as a place of worship, but also as a stronghold against invaders. Its thick stone walls and defensive towers reflect the need for protection during turbulent times. The church's architecture, blending Romanesque and Gothic styles, tells the story of centuries past. The fortified walls enclose not just the church, but also smaller buildings, once essential during sieges. Walking through the site, you can sense the echoes of history and the lives of the Saxon settlers who built it. Today, the Hosman Fortified Church is a well-preserved piece of history, offering visitors a quiet and reflective experience. The surrounding village, with its traditional charm, further enhances the sense of stepping back into a bygone era of Transylvanian culture.